In this section, we'll talk about Geth. Go Ethereum is the official implementation of the Ethereum protocol using Go programming language. Geth is the main Ethereum CLI client, and it's the entry point into the Ethereum network, main, test, or private net. Geth is capable of running as a full node, archive node, or light node. It can be used by other processes as a gateway into the Ethereum network via JSON RPC endpoints exposed on top of HTTP, WebSocket, or IPC transports. Now, I'll show you how to install and run Geth on Ubuntu. There are also versions for Windows and for Mac. In this case, I have an Ubuntu server and I am connected to that Ubuntu server using PuTTY. First, we must add a repository that contains the Geth binary. So I'll copy paste these lines. I enter my password. The user that runs these commands must be an admin user, or that user must be able to run commands as root. I've already installed Geth. The installation is straightforward on Ubuntu, and now I'll show you how to create an account and how to list different information about accounts. So running the Geth account new command, I'll create a new account. It's asking for a password. I'll set a very simple password only for these tasks. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you must set a strong password. And the account has been created. This is the Ethereum address of that account. Now, let's start the Geth console. Geth started, and if I want to list all accounts, I can run eth.accounts. And we can see there is only one account. This account has been created in the home directory of the user that ran the commands, in this case home Andrei, and here there is a hidden directory. Its name starts with dot, so dot Ethereum. And here in this directory there is a directory named key store that holds the encrypted private key as a JSON file. This is the file. This is the content of my file. We can find here a lot of information, and we can see also the address. This is the address. And the private key is encrypted with the password I've provided. If I want to use this account, I must first unlock it. As we can see, Geth is displaying a lot of information at the console. If there is too much information here at this console and we can't run the commands, we can attach to this Geth instance from another terminal. So here, using this terminal, this is the same machine, I run Geth attach. And it attached to that instance. And here I can write ETH accounts. Okay, and now I'll unlock this account. So personal unlock account, the address between double quotes, and the password. As I said, I've set a very simple password. And my account has been unlocked. If I want to see the balance of this account, I write ETH get balance. If I press on tab, it auto-completes the command. ETH.getBalance off, and here between parentheses and double quotes, the address. And we can see the balance is 0 Ether. Of course, this is a new account. That's enough for the moment. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to run a private Ethereum blockchain using Geth. See you in a moment.